Assalamu alaikum, I hope that you are doing well. This is my first tech review video. Today we will unbox and review the Redragon Zeus h510 gaming headset. It is well known and used by a lot of people want to buy it. So, is it worth the cost? So, why I bought it in the first place? Well, I saw a lot of good reviews about it. Like, wow, astonishing, solid build, amazing quality, insane make, etc. And they also said that it is the best headset for this price range. So, in Tunisia it is sold for 169 dinars. It comes in this nice package, as you can see, to protect it during the delivery. So here is our headset box. On the rear they listed some specs and the accessories it contains, which are a detectable mic, a 2-meter USB cable controller, a 3.5 audio cable splitter, and a 1.2 meters audio cable with a nice little bag. So as you open it up, there is a box here containing the user manual that nobody reads, the accessories, the strap for your cable management, and the headset itself. So my first impression on the headset, it looks good, it feels premium, and it feels light also. It weighs around 300 grams. As for the design, it's really beautiful. I like the color matchup, the logo placement. Then there is another box containing the small cute bag. Okay, so here is the splitter, the audio cable, and the detachable mic. It is flexible and moves in every way. As for the mic quality, this video is recorded using it without filters. I just amplified it, so judge it yourself. Personally, for this price it's really good. The USB audio cable contains the controller for the 7.1 virtual surround sound. It controls the volume and mic also. All the cables are braided for more durability. The top head band is made from leather and it is padded underneath. The ear cups are made of plastic. They tilt inwards, outwards, left and right. The ear cups padding is from leather. It's comfy and most importantly, it doesn't get hot after long periods of time. Overall, the build quality of the headset itself is good, it's durable, it even fell a few days ago badly, and it works just fine. It's flexible and it handles twists also. So after usage for months now, here is my honest impression. The sound quality is decent according to field expert reviewers, but they say it produces loud volume, so don't use it at max volume or you risk becoming deaf. As for the noise isolation, it doesn't block it. If someone is talking near you, you will be able to hear them. But after just 5 months of usage, the USB cable broke. It didn't fall, it didn't get twisted, just broke without a reason. And I'm using the audio cable with the splitter. This defect happened to many users of this headset, not just me, and it's probably due to the manufacturer's mistake, which makes it absolutely not up to the hype. If it weren't for this problem, it would have made a good deal in this price range. I'm disappointed honestly. The cable durability is 0. I expect to use a headset to its full capacity more than 5 months. Honestly, the experience with the splitter ain't that nice. The quality of the sound is inferior compared to the USB cable, and the splitter with the audio cable is shorter than the USB cable, so it's a lot harder to move with the headset. The verdict on this headset: rejected. There are better options from the same brand. Apparently the Zeus X doesn't have this problem, or there is the Redragon icon. It's recommended too. Assalamu alaikum.